The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the past 24 hours, the Russian armed forces have continued launching attacks by high-precision long-range air-based armament at the military control and energy systems of Ukraine. All the assigned targets have been neutralized. In the Kupiansk direction, the enemy made attempts with up to 2 motorized infantry companies to attack the Russian troops' positions in the direction of Kuzemovka of Lugansk People's Republic and Berestovoe in Kharkov region. All the enemy attacks have been repelled. Artillery fire and active actions of Russian troops annihilated more than 20 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored personnel carriers and 1 car. In the Krasny Liman direction, the enemy attempted to break through the defense of the Russian troops with a reinforced motorized infantry battalion close to Novosadovoe in Donetsk People's Republic and Torskoye forestry. Russian airstrikes and concentrated artillery fire from pre-prepared lines inflicted fire damage on the Ukrainian units. About 70 Ukrainian personnel, 3 infantry fighting vehicles, 7 armored personnel carriers and 3 pickup trucks were destroyed. In total, 325 airplanes and 162 helicopters, 2,323 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 5,997 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 874 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,517 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 6,720 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.